and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I finally get to unbox this Diamond Art Club painting. This is one that I saw on release day, and I decided that I really liked it and really wanted it. So I was very good. I did use my points that had been generated from previous orders and from buying the 6 for the price of 4. So I did use my points to get this one, though I still did have to put a chunk towards it. It wasn't the cheapest painting, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So this one is a square painting and it's a newish release. I didn't actually buy it straight away, like when it, within the first half hour or so of release. So it may well still be something that is in stock and available. That has a lot of diamonds in it. It's a big one. It's a big one. It is 98 centimetres by 65. It's like doing Minions all over again. It's sort of a bigger version. Okay, but we do get a new toolkit. Oh, that washi tape's nice. So because this one is a square, we do also get a set of tweezers. So maybe they are just doing tweezers with square ones. They do say Diamond Art Club. We get a cover minder. Oh, the magnet's a bit low on that one. But we get a butterfly, different style butterfly to the one that I got in the last kit that I unboxed. We've got the nice blue pen with the squishy. Oh, this washi tape's nice. This is, it's like a more muted sort of flower washi tape. That's pretty. I like that one. We then get the usual, their trays with the little mini stoppers, the heart wax holder, multi-placers, baggies, all that jazz. We also get all of that. So that's my little extras in the toolkit for this one. But let's have a look at the painting. I'm itching to look at the painting. I'm going to get out the bigger one before I show you what the painting is. So it's in the title, but that doesn't mean you know which one it is. It is more of a landscape, so it's this way. I am going to struggle to fit it all on the desk, but it has 64 colours and it actually has 5 ABs in this one. So look at this. It is called Still Waiting and it is by Yume Art. I say it's 98 by 65. That is the image and that is the painting. So we do have quite a bit of blocking here on the skyline, but the rest is definitely not blocky in any way. This is actually one that I would work on its side, just due to the width of it, I think, in the hope of actually being able to get it on my light pad. I would still have to move it section by section, but that is the top half, and then if I get it to roll up so you can see, look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I just think it's beautiful. So ABs, number 1, which is a pink. We have some down here in this sort of mottled effect, or like, it's like a watercolour effect. We have some over here scattered in the buildings. There's some more here, there's some more here and here, so, and over here. So we've got quite a bit of scattering across the buildings. Number 2 is a green. We've got a lot, I say a lot, for ABs, we've got a chunk around here in this building and up here. We then have, we've got some more here. We've got some bits here as well. So it is scattered throughout different buildings. And again over here, we've got them scattered in the lights here. We've got it scattered over here. Do we have any across the bottom? Not that I'm seeing for number 2. For number 3, which is a pale yellow, we've got quite a bit here in this sort of light reflection. We've actually got a lot. When I have a look here, a lot of this across here is actually 3 and 5. So 5 is the white, 3 is the lighter yellow. That is all ABs around there. This huge chunk up here is ABs. There's quite a few rows of ABs here and here, both 3 and 5. And then there's some more 3 and 5 over here and more over here. So along with 5 is scattered throughout the buildings, which is the white one. And I've pulled these both in together now because they are quite close. So there's quite a few 3 down here. Then there's 3 and 5, 5 and 3, 3s and 5s. So there's a lot of them together with it being like a pale yellow. There's loads of 3 here in some of the lights and across here in this building. Then we go into more 5s. Some more 5s there mixed in with the number 1s. Yeah, 5 is just scattered throughout. Pretty much anything that you can see that has a white square is AB. And then number 4 is a yellow. So we have a little bit right over here. We've got a little bit of a 4 there, little bits here and there, dotted about within the buildings, not so much across the bottom. So across the bottom is 1, 3 and 5. We've got quite a few 4s scattered throughout here as well, especially in the middle with these 3s and 5s. And we've got some more 4s here to go with the 5s. And then we've got some over in this far corner as well, and all the way up here, which you might not even be able to see, but all the way around this sign up here. So there is ABs throughout this painting. The only place that there really isn't any is this back skyline. But rest assured, I am expecting some chunky bags of ABs in these diamonds. So let's have a look. Look, you can already see there is 2 bags of number 5, and I'm guessing that's number 3. 2 bags of number 3 as well. And then we've got the rest scattered within. They look like a decent amount. Let's have a proper look. Let's get in them. Never to get back in the box the same way. Let's start from the biggest, because that's what I have here. So 3842, we have a couple of bags. 311, we have 3. Got 161, 310. So 310 is across the background mainly. There is a couple of little scatterings of black down here at the bottom, but most of it is in this skyline. And we have 6 bags of 310. Got some 436. Then we have 4 bags of 939, which looks to be and is the other main colour in the sky. Then we've got a couple of bags of 141. Now that actually looks like a true white AB. The last one I unboxed looked more of like a 3865. This looks more like a 5200. And then we have some 823 as well. So that's one ruck of colour. Then we have another 2 bags. This is the yellow. This makes up a lot down here and scattered in the buildings. We've got some burgundies, some blues. 803, we've got a few of them. 803, Oh, it doesn't make up a lot of the sky, so it's more of a scattered throughout the buildings and a bit down here at the bottom rather than big blocks of colour, even though there's a few bags. But we've got some fun colours in here, nice bright ones to help make these buildings shine, as well as the more subdued. Where's the rest of me ABs? That is number 4. So that's the one that's got a scattering throughout the buildings. Got some really nice colours in here. That is number 2. So that's the green one. Yeah. That's number 2, which is scattered throughout the buildings again. Oh, gorgeous tealy blue. More lovely greens. Nice. And there's more. Because of course there is 64 different colours. Nice lime green. 907. Gotta love it. Nice hot pink, which again was a little bit down here but then scattered throughout. Some bright colours and some more muted. Absolutely amazing colours. And then we have some purples, blues and greys. So yes, this was my little indulgence because I couldn't pass it up. And I'm so happy. There is so many ABs scattered throughout this that I think it is really going to, in effect, light up. It's going to help it look like it's lighting up and really sparkling. So I will pop a link to this down below in case you too also fancy treating yourself. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.